Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your DJI Mic Mini is connected to your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make sure that your DJI Mic Mini is connected to your iPhone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your settings tab of your iPhone. Then scroll down to where it says Sounds and Haptics. Now, assuming that you have your DJI Mic Mini connected to your iPhone, you're going to see an option called Input. Click on Input, and this is where you want to make sure that the DJI Mic Mini is connected. So you can see that I have it checkmarked here, which indicates that I'm using this DJI Mic Mini as the input for my iPhone. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make sure that your DJI Mic Mini is connected to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.